So that is where the GUP come into place. Give them the upskillment, give them the skill, and then inspire them to keep working on them so they can achieve to their goal.
After many years working in social activities, what do you think most young students like, and how GUP will help them to improve?
I think the biggest lagging is among the youth problem is having a vision. Having a vision and having a purpose and having a goal. Most of the youth people kind of lost their goals about how they can achieve something for their life, for their family, and for the people around them, and for the country, like example for Vietnam. So GUP will help them to find those purpose, find those goals, and find their skills as well to make their goals happen in real life, not just in paper, but actually make them happen. Because you can only make can make a goal happen in real life when they have the skill set and constantly they can work on that one. So that is where the GUP come into place. Give them the upskillment, give them the skill, and then inspire them to keep working on them so they can achieve to their goal. And this is where I'm also actually speaking to the TEDx in June 2020 about let the small goal away to achieve the bigger goal. Why we should be working on it. So when somebody is working on the skill and inspirement, they have to probably give up their relaxing time. They have to give up the social media fun time, chatting time. But those giving away and working on the big goal will help them to achieve the big goals, which will make them more happy. Because my point is, our life is all about success is only then when somebody is happy. And when somebody can achieve bigger goals, it's always bring them more happiness.